We were on our way to dinner the other night and passing by gas stations. I thought it's just nice to know that you never have to go to one of those again.
Going on a trip, I'm not thinking about how much it's going to cost me to fill up the gas tank or anything like that.
And the next part is not having to stop and get oil changes or spark plug replacements. It is absolutely one of those things that just changes the way you own a vehicle and makes it simple.
The cool part about having an EV is we have the ability to show you how your driving behavior affects your efficiency. In our customers, it becomes a sense of pride to see how efficient they can get.
It's a cool feeling, and simply hitting the accelerator and getting quick, nearly instant torque, 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds with quick, quiet, smooth acceleration.
I'm typically a fun car guy, and I get this fun-to-drive car that's roomy enough for my family of 5 to fit in.
It's got quick, nimble steering, and it's well planted because of the battery, and the car is effortless. I tell people it's like going from analog to digital.
I find now when I get into an internal combustion engine vehicles, I feel like they're all dinosaurs no matter how new the vehicle is.